Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So this week we are going to unbox rest of this N case which came out, and most of them are like sought after. So let's start with this one. So this is a Pagani Utopia. So if you guys remember, if you are a follower of my channel for at least for past 1 year, you might remember we unboxed this in kind of this creamy white color. That is the original color even Pagani launched the car in. So that's the color literally every other this diecast manufacturer released this specific casting. So we did unboxing of that one, but I wanted to unbox this one because I personally love this particular blue color because it's kind of this glittery blue. So as you guys know, I am a sucker for these glittery colors, so I bought this. So next one is this one. So the Volvo 240 Drift wagon, and I don't remember if I actually unboxed this before, but I kind of I kind of remembering that I did this car's unboxing in a, I don't know, maybe in a blue color or so. I don't. Okay, let it be. So I can see some cool Easter egg here. Let's see that while we unbox. I'm really hoping to show that to you guys. Uh, okay, so this is a Jaguar MK1. Okay, so this one's wheels looks a little bit different. I mean, I don't think so. I have some. I mean, any Hot Wheels which I have in my collection have this particular set of rims. So that is new, just like the Ford Model A which you unboxed last week. Okay, so here is one of my personal favorite car, the Pontiac Firebird. So I do remember I unboxed this some time back, but I really loved this color combination they went with because it is pure white along with it, the blue color, that bird along with this blue tinted windows here, windshields and everything. So I thought I would unbox this one. Okay, so next is this one. So this Dot Charger Hellcat. So this is actually a STH in this particular case, but unfortunately I didn't get the STH. I do have a TH. We'll be unboxing that next week. So I already took it out, so I will show that to you guys. So with this said, so I'm not seeing much of a details on this one or even the Firebird, but I personally love these cars. I mean the actual cars I'm talking about, so I bought all these things. And these are like this is one in the box. I think the Firebird is also one in the box. uh, but Jaguar I don't remember. Volvo I remember I saw two. Utopia also I think I saw two. Okay, last but not least, which is this one. So this one is a Skyline GTR. There's a BNR 33. So this is actually two in that specific case. So my request is don't buy from scalpers. uh, these are like most of these cars in this case are actually repeated twice in the same case itself, maybe except for this uh, Charger Hellcat because it's supposed to be STH, right? But most of the other cars are actually, including this one I'm saying, these are repeated. So I personally love this one because not only just because it is a Nissan and all. This color on this one looks really nice. It's kind of a this mystery purple, like dark purple, black purple kind of thing. It's a bit glittery as well. So the whole color scheme they went on this one, it looks really nice. Like as you can see here, that it it can be easily an Undertaker car. If you guys know who Undertaker is, so I think you guys might understand what I'm trying to say. So with that said, we will be unboxing this particular set this week. So stay tuned guys, and a lot of things are coming up. I'm planning to put out a sale as well. So I'm not sure if I will be putting in more. I'm thinking of doing a video on YouTube. So let's see when I'm going to post that. So I will put out the necessity for the rules and everything, what to follow, where to reach me out and all these things. So stay tuned for that as well. And as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day guys. Goodbye.